Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can attach files even from your Google Drive uh, into your email in Gmail. But first I wanted to say then don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to the Gmail and to compose, and here you can see this sign. Click on that and here will appear two options: attach file from your phone, and the other one is insert from drive. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye bye.